that can be seen every Sunday. When you wake up on Sunday, I know you take a little longer para magising. Pag linggo, 9:30 a.m. sa ating GMA News TV All Sports Program. Madalas tayong bumisita dyan. 16-5 ang bilang natin.
Alam mo, partner, so far, Cagayan with 7 attack points. Ang Navy, wala pa. Wala pang
Wala pang
na-atake.
naka-complete na atake. Ang puntos actually nila nanggagaling sa error ng kabila. De Los Santos gets going. $17-5. Short.
Right into the tape of the net.
We have Puilong seeing action for the first time, pulling out Joy Benito. I saw Puilong also in their first game, actually. And that's Alami Puilong.
And si Cruzada naman on the other side coming back, replacing Nebrida.
And sometimes, you know, you just need more games to get you back into shape, actually. And Navy, really has not had that much time. Yun din na naging problema nila last year.
At ang nagiging malaking problema nila is their point production, yung atake nila. Imagine in this game, ang Navy 12 attack points lang in all sets, ha?
Yes, yes.
In all sets. Ang Cagayan 43.
Ay, naku.
Napakalayo naman talaga.
She tried to dump it over. Huli siya. That's a double block that works, and De Los Santos gets a point. You know, De Los Santos is I think a one-time valuable player here. Shakey's for fun family pizza got to be Shakey's, and even she has to wait for her turn, and playing
Ganun
rotation.
kalalim.
Ganun kalalim. 18-6 ang bilang natin.
Ay, iyakan natin yung isa ko. Iyakan. Buhay na, buhay na. May bumubuhay na sa loob. Padala naman kayo. Ay, kapit na po. Dahil, di ba gano'n bang attack coverage talaga tayo? Dahil hindi tayo puro lang... Alay ng Si Lula, tulungan mo. Si Lula, kawawa si Lula. Pag hindi mo tulungan. Malaki yung blocker natin sa panlalaban natin.
Iniisip ko kung sino si Lola. Sino si Lola na kailangan tulungan?
Tulungan.
Si Coach Nene, tulungan daw si Lola. Sino si Nene?
You know, just so many delightful coaching moments.
Kanina nandun ako sa kanila, sabi niya, Mozi, walang sabihan sa coverage ang edad. Sabi ko, ikaw naman, di pag sinabi ko yung edad mo, di lalo ako.
Diba yun ang shared tradition ng babae, walang sabihan ng edad. 18-7, matter of moments now, and Janela picking herself up.
Cerveza trying to get in, but hindi muna. Sabi natin, second referee.
Soraya.
Ayun, siya
Rapila
naman
with
ang
a face
papalo.
And that's a lift.
Violation.
4 touches. Si referee season sabi niya, Nes, huwag mo ako unahan. Huwag mo ako unahan, Nes.
Layo-layo na lang lamang mo.
Kulit mo eh. Alam mo, nabibiro natin coaches, matagal na rin natin silang kinocover. At, you know, they can be honest with us because I think in general we're objective and fair with them, and Nes sharing the secrets, hindi never have been kahit sa FPU, hindi matakaw yan, magsishare talaga yan.
And as much as gusto natin siya sanang maipit kay Coach Nene at saka kay Coach Mayi kanina, mahal naman natin si Coach Nes.
Pero ma'am niya, tingnan mo after the game. Yung shake hands ng coaches, tingnan mo ma'am niya. Yan ang panoorin ng mga direktor mamaya kung mapipisa si Nes Pamilar. So Raya, pumapalo ang Ali. New career.
Free ball.
19-8, Chisayet.
Dawis pala, inside already.
Yeah.
Another player from UE. Yung kanyang teammate na si Nebrida nasa kabila.
Saka different generations of players na ito, no?
Nakakatuwa lang panoodin na ngayon halo-halo, labo-labo, nasa isang team, dating magkalaban, ngayon magkakampi.
Kaya hindi pwede kang galit sa mundo rito eh.
Kaya di ba kahit sa basketball, lagi niya sinasabi niya, maliit lang ang mundo ng basketball. Diba?
Dawis hooking it over, and it is now a matter of 5 points before the game is wrapped up nicely by Cagayan, and they will remain undefeated, Mosi.
Doon pa rin sila sa taas na ating standings.
They are going to be the team to beat.
Once again, you like to have all those W's going to the next
Given the
level.
format. Ooh,
Yes.
Janet ended up scooping up the ball and ended up rather wapoys, ano? Janet, look, I have a feeling also has to play herself back into shape. We're not catching her at her best, actually. Huli regalo. Hindi lang naupakan ni Dawis.
Big
natusukat sila.
Laborte. And then, yun, again, balik tayo dun sa sinasabi natin pag bata in medyo season. Look at Mikmik. Yung direction ng bola niya, alam niya na yung triple block, alam niya na kung saan niya
Tsaka
dadalhin.
tingnan mo yung position ng mata. She was looking left, but she was actually going right. Sneaky girl.
Well, alam naman nating lahat
Yes,
yan.
we know that.
Yes.
Si Rafika.
Cerveza with a
Oh,
swipe.
yes. The homely Cerveza taking care of dumping that over. Nicely against a double block there. 21-11. Might be out of reach, but not in terms of spirit for Lady Sailors.
Yeah, Eileen Susan to serve that
Nap-
ball.
Yan ang chisait.
Oh, isa pa uli,
Yep.
pero outside na this time. Gusto kasi ni Mikmik may triple block eh.
Ah.
Walang triple block.
May nag-aabot sa'yo ng papel. Yan. Alam mo, si Ruby De Leon, hindi magsiset ng isang kamay. Pero si Chi will try sometimes. Bihirang-bihira mo makita si Ruby nagwawanan. Bad reception.
Oh, Eileen Susan still getting that across of a back row attack.
Huli. One-handed pickup by Laborte. Serafica with the spin. Bungay pa. Malakas talaga yung fundamentals ng
Ang
Tyson.
galing naman nun. Ang ganda na ng palo ni Mikmik Laborte. Pero Soraya with that jig.
Hindi siya, pero hindi siya libero. Yung forma ng katawan na hindi pan libero. Kailangan happy childhood. Kailangan tumatawa ka, Iha.
And kailangan, yun na, makikita mo, because she read yung palo
Yes, where it was
yung
going.
attack.
Dawis kept it in the air. Puilong, ahay, walang buwelo. 22-13. Sa siya, sabi niya sa pulso. Hindi sa kamay eh.
Agad-agad kasi off-speed yung inisip niyang gawin.
Kasi lamang sa kanya yung block eh. Tabakero.
Oh, that's
Lihis.
going to be wide.
Lihis. Sabi ni Nes, bilisan niyo, hoy, maglalaba pa ako.
Boss yan. Oh, and
You know,
Cerveza.
We've got Nes at when his team is really, really good and when it's really, really bad, actually. No? And timeout requested, and I think it's time to sort things over for both Navy as well as the other side.
I-enjoy nyo yan, laro na yan. Kaya natin kapitan natin. Ha? May nag-smile na sa loob, gumanda na yung laro nyo. Smile lang ang kailangan dyan. Oo, tsaka ilaw. Si Marcos dyan. Ha? Yung mga kuha natin na pachamba, gumagana na rin. Tuloy lang, tuloy. Okay, Marcy, papalo kami.
Ano daw?
Wala kukuha raw na tsamba, dumadami na rin daw. Okay. Okay talaga ito si Coach Nene. Gusto siya, ihahag ko siya mamaya. So cute!
Diba? Walang
Gusto ko maglaro dyan. Kasi
Oo.
walang pressure eh.
Positive outlook.
Pwede kami ni Miax dyan. Lalaro kami sa Navy.
Pag kayo naglaro, pwede laitan, ha?
Oo.
Ay, naku, yung lim, wala yan.
Hindi naman namin kayo papansinin, okay
Alam
lang.
ko yun. Hindi na nga ginagawa ni Ivy Remulla yun. Alam naman si ate. I hope you say nice things. Kala mo lang yun.
Cruzada.
Oo,
Sila,
gumagana.
ito.
23-15.
Ito pa.
Yan po si Soraya Pomla, ang ating Thai import na setter. De Los Santos. Alam niya, ano yan, paborito ni De Los Santos. Yan.
At bihira mo yan makitang sa open hit, pumalo.
Si Sandra, ang lakas ng didikdik ng palo yan.
Pero madalas nakikita nga natin siya sa gitna. Middle hitter.
Cerveza, Cruzada, Laborte. Touch sa isa. You're not so tall.
Kulang.
And then na-realize niya, wapoy nung umistretch siya, no? Tsaka alam mo, Iha, sasabihin nung takakapi niya, out yun eh. Tapos na tayo dapat eh. Kaya din siya natawa eh. Caballero ends it all. And it's a straight set win for the Cagayan Rising Stars. And let's look at Nes Familiar if he'll stay, he will stay alive after this hug with. Yes, he's okay. He'll be okay. It's a straight set win for Cagayan, and they remain undefeated in the tournament. We will talk to our players, most outstanding players after this. Okay, straight set win. Moses, sino ang best player natin?
Well, maraming heroes. Sabi mo nga, star-studded itong Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. Pero today, sabi mo, Coach Nabaveda,
Yan.
eto with Miyaka.
Yes, guys, kasama ko dito ang ating best player of the game, Angeli Tabacero with 13 points. Now, Angeli, 3 straight wins. Ano ba yung ginagawa niyong tama dito sa team niyo?
Unang-una yung communication inside the court. Kasi key yun for us na magkakaintindihan. And syempre, may tie players kami. And yung depensa, mapa-block man or floor defense, yun siguro yung isang key. Kaya wala pa kaming talo hanggang ngayon.
Okay, now, susunod yung assignment itong Meralco. Ano bang pwede namin expect sa inyo?
Ganun pa rin naman. Siguro mas tatagtagan pa namin yung coverage namin kasi meron silang player na malalaki. Diba? Like si Ate Maureen and yung guest player na sila si Wang. So, yun siguro yung gagawin namin. And siguro less errors siguro yung unforced errors. We'll try to minimize everything. So,
Gaya nga ni Sevi, kung suki namin with the Shakey's Pizza. Ito na naman para sa iyo.
Yan ang team standings natin, Moses.
Yeah, sa preliminaries natin, Cagayan Valley Rising Suns ngayon nangunguna na dahil wala pang talo. Smart with the same number of wins pero may isa lang talo. Pero dito sa dulo makikita mo nandito pa rin, wala pa rin panalo ang PNP, ang FEU at ang Philippine Navy at nasa gitna naman yung Philippine Army, Meralco and yung Air Force.
Thank you, Mosi. Thank you, Micah. And thank you, all of you, for joining us for the Shakey's V-League. This is our open conference. Glad to see you. Glad to have you where volleyball is always hot.